What is this? Huh? Heart. Ishak, show your picture. What is this?
Ear.
Huh?
Ear.
Ear. Okay, Mariam. What is this?
Eyes.
Eyes. Musab, what is this?
Brain.
Brain. Very good. Afsal, what is this?
Leg.
Leg. Very good. Asma, what is this?
Lungs.
Huh?
Lungs. Lungs.
Lungs. Very good. Yunus, what is this?
Fingers.
Fingers. Lasin, what is this?
Nose.
Huh?
Nose.
Nose.
Good morning, Toy. Ear is a sensory organ. It is responsible for hearing. We have 2 ears. Heart is a strong muscle. It pumps blood to the body. The nose is one of our sense organs that help us detect different smell and also plays an important role in breathing. I will speak about eyes. The eyes are sensory organs. The eyes capture the words around us. Things to hear, things to hear, models to hear, fingers finger, tongue, eye, knee, half, shin, ankle, heel, heart, toes. Good morning everyone. We have 2 lungs in our body. The lungs help us to breathe. Price the boss our body. 2 things. It helps us to think, laugh. The heart is very important organ. It is a muscular organ. It is about size of fist. It acts as a pump circulating blood through the body to deliver oxygen and nutrients and remove waste products. அகத்தின் அழகு முகத்தில் தெரியும். கால் போன போக்கில் போகாது. உயிர் காப்பான் தோழன். கைக்கு எட்டியது வாய்க்கு எட்டவில்லை. கையிலே காசு வாயிலே தோசை. சித்திரமும் கைப்பழக்கம். தலை இருக்க வாய் ஆடலாமாம். வாயுள்ள பிள்ளை பிழைக்கும். ஆத்துல ஒரு கால்